If you've been browsing project management tools, there's a good chance you've seen Monday.com show up more than once. It's built to help teams of all sizes organize work, automate workflows, and stay on top of projects from one central place. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Monday.com, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Monday.com is. At its core, it's a highly customizable work operating system. That means it gives you boards to manage tasks, people, and workflows, and you can tailor it to match how your team works. It's not just for project managers. Sales teams, marketers, HR departments, and even customer support can build their own workflows without needing to code anything. Now, when it comes to features, Monday.com is packed with flexibility. You can build out dashboards using columns, statuses, automations, timelines, and files. Every project lives inside a board, and each board can be viewed in different ways like Kanban, Calendar, Gantt, or Workload View. One of the biggest strengths is how visual and intuitive it all feels. You can drag, drop, and color code your entire workspace in a way that actually makes sense to your team. Second, collaboration is easy to handle. Each item or task has its own update thread where team members can comment, attach files, and tag others. Plus, you can invite guests with custom permissions, which works great if you're working with clients. There's also a mobile app that syncs in real time, so you're not tied to your desk. Next, automations and integrations are where Monday really speeds things up. You can automate task assignments, reminders, and status changes. It connects with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, Zoom, and hundreds more. If your goal is to reduce busy work and move faster, this area can save you a lot of time. But it's not all perfect. One drawback is the learning curve. There are a lot of options, and it can feel overwhelming at first. Also, the more advanced features like automations and dashboards are locked behind higher plans, so smaller teams might hit limits quicker than they'd expect. Alright, now let's go over pricing. Monday.com offers 5 plans. The free plan is $0 per month for up to 2 users. The basic plan is $12 per seat per month. The standard plan is $14 per seat per month. The Pro plan, which is the most popular, comes in at $24 per seat per month. For enterprise users, you'll need to contact the sales team for a custom quote. All paid plans offer a free trial, and you can switch between monthly or yearly billing. So, overall, Monday.com is a strong pick for teams who want full control over how they manage their work. It's visually clean, highly flexible, and powerful once you get the hang of it. If your team needs more structure, visibility, or automation across workflows, this tool can definitely make your life easier. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.